Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is bool function. Now, why will we use this bool function? So this bool function is mainly used in order to verify whether the input parameter is a positive value, or you can say a value which is uh, it is returning true or false. Okay, so let's say we have one scenario where we are storing the value 42 as in variable value. Then we are checking for the bool result. So if I take my cursor here, it will show you the definition. So you can see returns true when the argument is true, otherwise it will return false. So this is the simplest you can say method of Python, where if the argument is true, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so just focus on the first scenario. Here we are providing the value as 42. So it will check as it is true. So it will return the output also true. Okay, because it is a non-zero value. So let me call this program so that it would be easier for you to understand the concept. So let me run this program by command here, Python session 97.py, where 97.py is my program name. So if I run this, you will see something is wrong here. Let me run it again. Python, sorry, I run wrong program. It should be 57.py. So if I hit enter, you will see it prints multiple outputs. So let's focus one by one. So the first output is true because we are providing the non-zero value, which is 42. So in this case, it will return the output as true because this is a true value. Now focus on second scenario. In second scenario, we are storing the value as 0, and whenever we are using 0, or you can say value variable, into the bool function, it will return the value false because this is not a true value, this is a false value. Whenever we are providing any non-zero number, it will be considered only as a false. Okay, now focus on the third scenario. In third scenario, what we are doing, we are storing the value as minus 42, and whenever we are providing this minus 42 this function, what it will do, it will check for the boolean output, and it is returning the output as true. Okay, so here also I have noted down the output in comments, and then we will move to the fourth scenario. In fourth scenario, what we are doing, we are passing blank string. So when it checks for the blank, it is also a non-zero, something related to non-zero, because we are providing nothing here, right? So in this case, it is returning output as false. Okay, what will happen if we provide any string to it? Let's see. In scenario fifth, we are providing the value as hello. So whenever it takes the hello as a output, it will check the boolean value, and it is returning the output as true. Okay, okay, what will happen if we provide the blank list? You can see here I'm providing the blank list. So whenever we are providing blank, this is a list. Okay, if you are not aware of list, this is a square bracket. These empty square bracket is considered as a list. So when we are providing to this as an argument to bool function, it is returning false because this is also empty. So you can observe carefully, like whenever we are providing any blank non-zero value, then it is considered as a false. Now focus on the seventh scenario. Here we are providing three values in a list, 1 2 3, and when we pass this value to this variable, this function bool, then it is printing true. Okay, all right, now look at the eighth scenario. Here we are just passing the value as none. So none is also considered as a false value, therefore it is returning false. In scenario 9, we are providing the dictionary. This is the way to pass the dictionary, to declare the dictionary, a curly bracket. Then this dictionary always contain the data in key value pair. So this is my key name, and my value is Alice. Okay, age 25. So this thing, when we pass to this function, it would be considered only as a true because this is containing something, right? It is not a blank. Similarly, if you are provide this as a blank, it will return false. Now look at the 10th scenario. What we are doing here in 10th scenario, we are providing the value inside dictionary. Sorry, let me check this. Yeah, it uh, here we are providing dictionary value, and then we are providing this. So what it will do, it will check for 1 2 3, and again it is returning true, because this is a non-zero value. So whenever there is a question where you would like to check for the true or false of the input parameter, then you can utilize this bool function. Okay, I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.